Welcome to The Explainer. You know, a lot of people dream about leaving their 9-to-5 job. But today, we're going to do more than just dream. We're deconstructing a powerful framework for actually making it happen. And this isn't about taking some wild, risky bet. Nope. This is a systematic blueprint for building a real, sustainable exit from the daily grind. So right off the bat, this whole blueprint forces us to ask a really tough question, to challenge a core belief. Take a look at your job. I mean, really look at it. Is it just a cage holding you back? Or what if it's actually the key that's going to unlock the whole thing for you? You see, the expert analysis we're breaking down today points to this kind of counterintuitive but really low-risk path. It completely reframes your job. It's not the obstacle you have to escape from right now. It's the strategic asset you need to build from. This whole thing is about strategy, not desperation. Okay, let's get into the mechanics here. The very first piece of this blueprint is all about repurposing your job. You have to start seeing it for what it truly is within this system. It's not the destination, it's your launch pad. And here it is, the absolute cornerstone of the entire framework. This idea of the stability bridge. Just think about it for a second. That regular paycheck, it gives you something that is absolutely priceless. Stability. It pays the bills, it takes all the pressure off, and it gives you the freedom to take smart, calculated risks on a side project without having a panic attack every time something doesn't go perfectly. And this right here shows you the two paths so clearly. I mean, on the left, you've got the premature exit. That's like jumping off a cliff, right? You're burning through your savings just to pay bills. But then on the right, you have the strategic overlap. This is where you use your job to build that stable bridge of capital, which lets your new venture grow organically and get strong without that crushing pressure to make money from day one. All right, so you've got your stability engine humming along. The very next step is to engineer the fuel for your growth vehicle. This is all about creating that extra cash, that surplus capital that's going to power your escape. You know, what's so brilliant about this quote is that it's all about efficiency, not about making yourself miserable. This is not about living on ramen noodles for 2 years. It's about being almost surgical with your finances to free up capital, which in turn literally shortens your timeline to freedom. And the process for doing this is actually incredibly simple. It's just 3 steps. First, you audit, become a detective, figure out where every single dollar is actually going. Second, you eliminate. You just cut out the waste, you know, the forgotten subscriptions, the mindless spending. And then third, and this is the critical part, you reallocate. Every dollar you save gets funneled directly into your growth vehicle. Okay, now we get to the really fun part, deploying that capital. This is where you actually start building the thing, the asset that's designed to completely replace your 9-to-5 income for good. Now, the analysis points to a few common growth vehicles, like the ones you see here. But the key takeaway isn't which one you choose. The point is that it has to align perfectly with your skills, your capital, and frankly, your stomach for risk. It doesn't matter if it's e-commerce or real estate, it just has to be a vehicle you're willing to drive for the long haul. And this slide right here, it reveals a huge secret to making this work. It's about consistency, not just pure intensity. You don't have to burn yourself out working 80 hours a week. The data shows that just 7 to 10 deeply focused hours, week in and week out, can build incredible momentum. This is how you avoid the burnout that totally derails most people. Okay, we have now arrived at what is probably the single most important part of this entire blueprint, knowing exactly when to pull the trigger. And listen, this isn't about a gut feeling. It's not about having a bad day at work. This is a cold, hard, data-driven calculation. According to experts, this is where so many people go wrong. Acting on pure emotion, you know, that's it, I've had it feeling, is what sends so many great plans completely off the rails. The decision to quit has to be objective, based on metrics, not on the heat of the moment. So here's the first non-negotiable number. Your side income needs to consistently, and I mean consistently, bring in at least 1.5 times what you spend every month. And honestly, you should probably be aiming for 2 times. Why so much? Well, this isn't just about replacing your salary. It's about building a crucial financial shock absorber for the ups and downs that are, believe me, inevitable when you're your own boss.
But the income target alone isn't enough. The framework also demands a huge cash reserve. I mean, look at this chart. The target, the big slice that's highlighted, is a fully funded emergency fund that can cover all of your living expenses for 9 to 12 months. That is your ultimate safety net.
So let's be crystal clear about this. You only hit the eject button when every single box on this checklist is ticked. Your income target is met? Check. Your emergency fund is full? Check. You figured out the boring stuff like health insurance? Check. And most importantly, your new business has proven repeatable results? Check. Only then is it safe. So you did it. You made the leap. But don't make the mistake of thinking you're done. Escaping the rat race isn't the finish line. It's actually just the starting line for the final and most important phase, moving from just surviving to building true lasting wealth and freedom.
At this point, the whole game changes. Your focus has to shift from just doing the work to scaling the systems. Like the slide says, it's about increasing revenue with systems, automation, and people, not with more of your own time and labor. This is the only way you avoid that classic trap of just trading your old 9-to-5 cage for a brand new one that you built yourself. And this quote just brings it all home, doesn't it? What's the point of all this hard work? It's not just to work even harder for yourself. The ultimate goal of this entire blueprint is to buy back your time, to live your life on your own terms. Money is just the tool. The real prize here is freedom. So let's just recap the entire blueprint one more time. You can see right here how each phase just builds perfectly on the one before it. You start with phase 1, the stability engine from your job. That funds phase 2, the capital multiplier. That capital then fuels phase 3, your growth vehicle. And once that's running smoothly, you execute the phase 4 escape protocol. And that, finally, unlocks phase 5, scaling for true freedom. So there you have it. The framework provides the blueprint, a proven, low-risk, analytical path to financial freedom. You've got the plans. The only question left is, what system are you going to start building today?